This is a Cushman. I thought this was an EZ-GO. It's a Cushman 3-wheel cart. I think it is 24 volt, 24 volt charger, 6-volt batteries. I don't know the conditions of the batteries. It just was in a plant. When we purchased it out of it, they were using it. It seems to charge up and work fine. And I will let, could you hop on? All right, turn the key on. It turns the key on. So right now it's in forward. Give it a honk. Hit the, turn the lights on. So it's got this blue light on normally. You can't see it because it's too dark. Lights on. Okay, go forward. Flip around. All right, hit the brakes. All right, I wanted to get the tail light. It's too bright. We're out in the sun. Okay, put it in reverse. And that's it. Maneuver's really nice. It's got a built-in charger. Right now it's set up, but you can also put this up. Here's the plug for the charger. And the charger sits right there. We can probably ship this thing, but it's not going to be easy, but we'll figure it out when we cross that bridge. Probably gonna have to build a pallet for it. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. That's the unit. Thank you.